Today, in our world, smart manufacturing is redefining industry, transforming the rules, and reshaping the future. Compact design, enhanced safety, and seamless connectivity are the driving pillars of industrial success and transformation. Schneider Electric's Altivar Machine series brings intelligence to your machines, supporting industrial excellence across every sector, every scale, and every step of the journey. For a simple machine, ATV12 provides compact, efficient, and reliable solution. It's ideal for food processing, material handling, conveyor, and consumer machines. Need more flexibility? The ATV320 offers a versatile and robust design. It's the go-to choice for packaging, material working, textiles, hoisting, and general machine control. For closed-loop, high-performance needs, ATV340 empowers your machine with advanced control capabilities. From packaging and material handling to hoisting and pumping, it delivers where performance matters most. When compact design meets enhanced safety and seamless connectivity, it answers all your needs. Turn potential into performance with Altivar Machine.